Hey there, SharePoint enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features in Microsoft SharePoint to make your workday easier. Today, we're diving into how to set alerts in SharePoint for other users, a super handy feature, especially with the 2025 updates that make collaboration even smoother. Whether you're a team leader wanting to keep your colleagues in the loop or just looking to streamline notifications, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site. If you haven't already, head over to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific site, library, or list where you want to set up alerts. For example, if it's a document library, click on it from your site homepage. Now, here's where the magic happens. Select the item, folder, or list you want to monitor. Look for the three dots, that's the ellipsis, next to the item and click on it. From the drop-down menu, choose Alert Me. This option might be under Automate or More in the 2025 interface, so keep an eye out for any updates. A dialog box will pop up where you can customize your alert. In this dialog, you'll see options to set who gets the alert. That's right, you can add other users' emails directly here. Type in their names or email addresses, then choose what triggers the alert, like when an item is changed, added, or deleted. You can even specify how often they get notified, daily summaries or immediate alerts. Don't forget to set a custom subject and message to make it clear and personalized. After you've filled in the details, hit OK to save your settings. SharePoint will now send alerts to the users you've specified whenever the conditions are met. It's that straightforward. And there you have it. You're all set to keep your team informed without the hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more SharePoint tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.